Alright, today we're going to be showing how to use FM radio or any other factory source while you have the VLine displaying on the screen. First, to do that, you're just going to change to whatever station you want or whatever source you want on the bottom on the radio. You'll see it pops up on the screen, but we still keep the VLine up. If you wanted to see the factory, like other source, FM, AM, SAT, click Factory UI, and then you'll hit Audio, and then we'll be in whatever source we were in outside of the VLine. And then to get back to the VLine, you'll just press the disc button again. Now we're back in the VLine, we're under CD changer, so we have the VLine audio. And again, if you wanted to go back to FM, AM, SAT, you just press that button and it'll change over while you have the VLine screen up. Alright, so we're going to show you how to use the climate controls that are built into the actual radio and screen on this LEX4 vehicle. To do that, you'll just hit Climate. We'll be over in the factory climate here. You can make any adjustments you want. Like this. We're going to turn those back off for now. And then from there, you can just hit Audio again, and it'll bring you back to the VLine.